Hello everyone, my name is Angie Nieto and today we are going to describe a cultural event. The event that I chose was the Venice Carnival, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the story. The carnival tradition in Venice dates back over 900 years. It was the one time during the year when there were no bounds. Everybody was free to do desired things without any guilt. Thanks to the masks during the carnival, Venice comes alive with masked Venetians and tourists. So, why I choose this cultural event? I have three reasons because I choose this event. The first one is because looks that is a magic place full of color and culture. The second one because it's part of the story of Venice and I am in love with that culture. And the third one because during the mask carnival you can be yourself and do what you want without feeling shame or guilt. No one will know who you are while you are wearing a mask. So those are the reasons. Thank you so much and see you.